In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your WordPress theme to give your website a fresh look and feel. This straightforward process will enable you to easily update the appearance of your site without much hassle. First, let's begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. To do this, open your preferred browser and in the address bar, type in your website's URL followed by .wp admin. You should see the WordPress login page where you need to enter your username and password. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is your website's command center, allowing you to manage everything, from creating content to customizing the appearance of your site. Now, let's navigate to where we can update your theme. On the left-hand menu, you'll see various options. In that list, look for the word Appearance and hover your mouse over it. A submenu will appear. Click on Themes, which will take you to a page showcasing your current active theme along with other installed themes. On the Themes page, you'll see an option that says Add New at the top. Click on that button, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can either browse through thousands of available themes in the WordPress repository or upload a theme that you've downloaded from a third-party source. If you're planning to use a theme from the WordPress repository, you'll find a search bar to explore the themes. You can filter the search based on popular, latest, or featured themes. Choose a theme that suits your website's brand and aesthetic. Simply hover over your desired theme, and you'll see an Install button. Click on it. After installing the theme, an Activate button will appear. Hit that button to make the theme live on your website. In case you have a specific theme file you've downloaded, you'll need to upload it manually. To do that, click on Upload Theme, which is located next to the Add New heading. This will prompt you to choose the file from your computer, select the .zip file of your theme, and click Install Now. After the theme is uploaded, you'll need to click the Activate button to apply the changes to your site. By activating a new theme, some adjustments might be necessary to maintain the look and feel you're aiming for. Check out your homepage and make sure everything looks just right. You might need to tweak a few elements like menus or widgets to ensure optimal functionality and appearance. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the theme of your WordPress website. This simple process allows you to refresh your site's design and keep its appearance in line with your evolving style or requirements. Don't forget to visit your site frequently to ensure everything is running smoothly and looking the way you want it to. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comments below.